Pleo mobile app. So just tap to get, and then you will be able to install it. So this is very popular expense reports app. It's like B2B app. So this is for companies. It's not for yourself as a private person. As I understand, it's mostly for companies, and it's quite popular in Europe and European companies and startups. So you know, if you need to track your expenses, this is pretty cool app. Like, so imagine, you know, you work in a startup, you have a lot of different software tools in marketing, in sales, in product. Each, you know, department using its own card, or, you know, if you just run in startups, there is like a, not just some business card from some major bank. And then, you know, then, hey, if we have three departments, we need to have like three different business cards. And then, hey, we also need to go and buy some bananas in the shop or something like that. And then it's all becoming really a huge mess really fast. Nobody knows where are all of the expenses, where it's going through, and all of the things like that. And then you just start to hire more people, and all the people also need some additional expenses, go on a trip somewhere, and you have no idea how to track all of this. So that's just like where Pleo comes in place. It's like a Danish startup, and they just create like a personal cards for every like employee in your company, or just for department. You can create like a marketing Pleo card and just track all the marketing tools just in this card. And then you can just top up this card and clearly see all the expenses, all the analytics, and upload all the receipts for each tool in you know, in this app. And then it's just, you can avoid all of this reporting mess, and it's so much easier for your accountants than to figure it out. Like, yeah, and then you just ask your employees, hey, all of work related matters, you can only use Pleo card. And then, you know, even if your employees try to, you know, use some work unrelated items and just want to buy it, you will instantly see that okay, you went to this nightclub, you weren't supposed to go there, or something like that. So this is like a pretty cool app. It's popular mostly in Europe. Yeah, it's I think in US they're using Brax or something like that. But yeah, of course, then you can just go here and create your account. I'm not sure if you can only use your work email here. I guess yeah, and then, or you can continue with Google, Microsoft. But yeah, so as you can see, if you just enter your personal email, it's not gonna work. But it's super interesting app and super easy to use. You just get this kind of plastic virtual card, and then you instantly scan and add these receipts, and it's quite convenient and super easy to track spending. And it just simplifies all this spending for the company, yeah, in a great way. So try it out and leave your review.